Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Cursed City mini. This is Gorslav the Gravekeeper. It was primed in black and given a white zenithal highlight. I'll start off with apothecary white for all of that exposed flesh. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been hovering on as well. I also stream on Twitch if you want to come hang out. I stream Wednesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. Next up is Blood Angels Red for the skirt. With zenithal on here, the contrast just makes this so much easier to get them onto the table quickly and ready to actually play a game with. The last contrast I use is Black Templar for the rags around its waist. I don't get it on camera, but I also do that single shoe that he has sticking out. For the belt and straps on this thing, I went with dark flesh tone. That sort of reddy brown gives a nice sort of leather look. I then grabbed hemp rope for the noose around its waist and the weird sort of bone hat thing. Next up are the wooden parts. These I used werewolf Now for probably the longest part, this is a highlight on all of that skin using necrotic flesh. This is just all the raised parts, leaving the white in the recesses. Now that I've said that out loud, it sounds pretty ridiculous, but I have a plan on how that's going to make it look a bit more like dead flesh. This is also used for the hand hanging on the waist and the zombie coming out of the grave. For the metallic parts, I start off with weapon bronze, with these shovels, spikes coming out of his back and the headpiece. While waiting for the bronze to dry, I used dirt splatter for the dirt around the grave and a bit between the sort of helmet and the strap. To finish off the metallics, I used Dark Star's Old Silver. This is starting to become one of my favourite metallic paints, and I'm probably going to be buying more Dark Star metallics sometime in my next paint order. The last thing before the washes is skeleton bone, just to do those skulls and a highlight on the headpiece. Now onto the washes. I start off with light tone wash over the skin, wood and bone parts. Finishing the mini off, I used dark tone on everything else on this mini. And that will be it for Gorslav. Another quick simple mini, just getting it ready for the table. Hopefully ready for a future video where I'm actually going to be playing the game. The one thing I don't like about this mini though is the grave it's putting up, because all my bases for Cursed City are sort of like gravelly dirt look, whereas this just doesn't fit. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can also share something you've been hobbying on. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram and Ko-fi pages. If you want to support the channel more than you already do, check out my Ko-fi page where you can drop a one-off tip towards helping me get new equipment. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.